Opus Clip is a tool that I have used to save insane amount of hours in my editing process, and not only turning my edits into long form videos, streams, podcasts, etc. into short form videos, IG, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and more. It will also help you with posting and scheduling every single post with the use of AI. Let's just get right into it. This can work for gaming streams, podcasts, sports show, talk shows, product reviews, commentary videos, and more. Head on over to Opus Clip. I will have it linked in my description. Once you get there, you can create a free account, and you will be granted the free trial with 90 minutes of credits. For example, if I wanted to edit a 30-minute video, this would take away 30 minutes of my credits, so on and so forth. Grab the link of your long form video you want edited into short form clips. Opus supports video links of YouTube, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and StreamYard, as well as you could just upload the file if you have the file on your computer. Me personally, I just grabbed a stream from my recent Rocket League gameplay where I just hit champion in ranked 2s. I put the link in there, and it took around 15 to 20 minutes to edit up with the AI. Now while this is going on, click on the top right of your profile and scroll down to social accounts. Then click add account. If you have the pro plan, you can add as many profiles as you desire. That's the one that I have. I highly suggest you using it if you do like the free trial. Once you have all of your socials accounts connected, and Opus will send you a email when it is done editing your clip. So around 15-20 minutes later, I came back and Opus has created over 32 videos that have been edited down for short form with captions and emojis. There may be some slight tweaking of editing that you need to do, cropping of some sorts. But like I said, Opus Clip is a tool, not an employee. This is merely a tool to help you edit and post all of your clips within a reasonable amount of time. If I tried to open this stream and edit all 32 clips, adding in the captions, the emojis, etc., this would have at least took me 2 to 3 days. But it took Opus 15 to 20 minutes. And now I have a whole month of short videos if I post at least one per day. And that was done within 30 minutes. And this is only from an hour and a half of footage. It was a 1 hour and 26 minute stream. Now posting these clips are easy as can be. Now remember, you must ensure to do a tiny bit of tweaking before you go and post this. It's not a lot, and they do have a lot of tools such as brand templates so that it will always make the short form that you want. Splitting the webcam up at the top or just fitting it into the screen like mine is shown right now. Create your caption. If you do not like the caption already given, create a new one. Now the AI is not perfect by any means. It is still learning day by day as we feed info, different videos to it, and it's a tool. It's not an all-out editor or poster for you. You may need to tweak a tiny bit of captions to fit the video correctly. But these captions do give you great insights on different ideas and anything you can post and use for a caption to help generate, some more interaction on your posts. Once you have a good caption, you can copy and paste it across the board on all socials, and you can schedule it by the day and time. You can change the time zones, etc. Now let's review everything. Opus Clip is an editing and posting tool that can help you as a content creator, business owner, podcaster, influencer, the list goes on. Opus will help cut the amount of time needed to edit, post, and caption all of your clips. This will be all done for you, some little slight tweaks needing to be added. And I'm sure you know if you have edited or have been trying to keep up on a consistent basis of posting, how hard it is to keep up. This is how people are keeping up. They will use tools such as Opus to help edit and caption their long form videos all within an hour, creating a month's worth of content. This frees up the time and energy to creatively make more content and share more value into the world. This is what I personally use in all of my gaming clips, posting across all the platforms. The proof is in the pudding. You could go check it out. This has saved me hours of time, effort, and mindless editing to help me create a consistent and quality flow of content for my gaming channel. And this can help you too. I truly hope that this has opened your eyes to what Opus can do and can help you take away that effort and long energy and time and mindless editing so you can go and create what you want to. I will be doing a full in-depth guide on how to break down the various brand templates, how to create the exact short form video that you want. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to see in the future of when I do post that. Until the next one, excuse me, get 1% better. Paddle thumbs out.
Hey, you subscribed. Does it feel good?